While this video may not resonate with everyone, those who do tune in and actively apply the advice shared within could see transformative benefits in their careers and lives. Part 1.
Could you please offer an overview of the salary ranges for cloud architect roles, followed by a high-level explanation of the factors driving the demand for these positions?
Of course, imagine landing a career where a $150,000 salary is typical. Well, in cloud computing, that dream is a reality. Roles like Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect and Amazon Web Services Certified Solutions Architect Associate average around $175,000 and $149,000 in North America. And that was back in 2020. The salaries have increased a bit. I want to give you an insider look at the most lucrative cloud computing jobs, the key skills that drive these high salaries, and a roadmap to get there even without a tech background. First, let's expose why cloud careers pay so well. Put simply, demand is far outpacing supply for cloud talent as more companies transition to the cloud. That gives you incredible leverage.
Could you provide credible evidence to prove that these jobs and their salaries are real?
Of course, I understand a $150,000 plus salary may sound unrealistic for North America, but I assure you, it's achievable. So let's validate that first. Today is February 28, 2024. We are on LinkedIn searching for cloud architect roles in the United States. The salaries for some positions are visible, so we will click on those to get more details. This role here is for a cloud solutions architect from Microsoft. The salary range is between $80,900 and $176,900 per year. This next one ranges between $160,000 and $180,000 a year plus bonus. The role that follows is from Microsoft again, and it ranges between $124,800 and $264,000 a year. The following position is for a cloud architect senior manager. The salary range for that role is from $141,800 to $269,100 a year.
What about demand in different countries?
All right, we can see that cloud architect roles are available everywhere. That's how the demand looks like in Germany. The same goes for Sweden. Let's check how things look in Denmark. What about England? Nevertheless, Ireland. And lastly, Spain.
Please provide comparisons of cloud architect salaries globally across major regions.
Sure, we have seen that the average salary for a cloud architect role in North America is around $150,000. However, salaries vary globally. Latin America averages $43,000 for cloud architects. Europe sees salaries around $85,000, and Asia Pacific values the role at up to $75,000. While lower than North America, these salaries remain highly competitive within their respective regional job markets.